Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me in Just Talking with Samuel Mbugwa. And today we are talking about the cheapest way to fight COVID-19. Number one, stay at home. Only the healthcare providers need to leave. The rest of the people, stay at home. This will save you fuel. Two, it will also save you fare if you're using public transport. So kindly stay at home and let the healthcare providers go and fight for you. Number two, wash your hands with soap and water. This is cheaper because soap and water are easily available and accessible. The sanitizers, you can use them if you're transiting or if you are traveling. Other than that, just use soap and water, and that is cheap and easily available, as we have said. Number three, forget about stockpiling. You don't need all that food. You only need enough to keep you going, and even others will get that food that you have stockpiled. So forget about stockpiling. Number four, the way you avoid touching your face. Also, avoid touching things. When you are walking, the guardrails, the walkways, avoid touching anything as much as is possible and is practical. Number five, a suggestion to the government. The government can reduce tax on fuel, and so this will reduce the transport costs, especially for public service users. They'll be able to reduce their cost, and they'll be able to implement the 60% carrying capacity that is required, and that is what is recommended at the moment. So in order to have 1 meter apart from each person in the car. Number six, forget about immune boosters. If you're a healthy person, the immune boosters, you don't need them. Just take a healthy, balanced diet and you're good to go. If you have any underlying medical issues, just take your meds regularly and consistently. That means that your underlying condition will be managed better, and so that will reduce the risk of you getting COVID-19. Number seven, leave the mask to those who need it most, and those are healthcare providers, and number two, the patients. Those are the people you're supposed to leave the mask to. Let them use it because they need it to help you not get COVID-19. These are the measures I will recommend for us to take, because they are the measures that have been recommended worldwide for us to follow. So kindly stay at home and follow these measures. Remember, there's enough for everyone on stockpiling, but there's not enough for everyone's greed. Stay at home and stay safe, and we shall overcome. Thank you.